How many of us have had sweaty palms or a pounding heart before that big meet? Presenting in front of an audience, no matter how big, is a nerve-wracking process. And while a little nervousness doesn't seem to hurt, when it becomes a restricting factor to your growth, the cost is evident. The National Institute of Mental Health finds up to 74% of Americans struggle with glossophobia, with over 15 million facing it daily, marking it as the #1 fear in America. From academics to career goals, the impacts are everywhere.
Hi, Congress Lab judges. My name is Drishti Sethia, and I'm the founder of VoiC.
So why is public speaking so hard to learn? The problem is that practice alone cannot help you improve. You need feedback. Gaining routine feedback is difficult due to privacy concerns and busy schedules, not to mention the courage it takes. VoiC tackles all of these challenges and aims to make public speaking a gateway for growth. In VoiC, you can get instant feedback on your speeches through artificial intelligence, as well as get communal feedback from your community. Let's see it in action.
I'm going to start off by logging in. On my dashboard, you can see my recent activity and I can trace my past feedback. I'm going to go to the record option where you'll notice that I can't actually see myself talking. This is done on purpose to mimic public settings where you're not talking in front of a mirror. I'm going to record a speech over here and I'm going to enter in key details. The most important is the purpose because it's used by the AI model to extract keywords. I can re-record as necessary. I'm going to enter the date that I want this to be on the observation channel and who I want to send this to. I'm going to send this to the family group. As I process it, the AI tells me keywords I should emphasize and what % of my speech was filler. I'm going to post this, and the dashboard is updated. I'm going to search this on the observation page as I just posted it, and there it is. Any member of the family group can see it and give me feedback on it. As I'm giving the feedback right now, you'll notice that I can also see the AI feedback so that I can reference it, just like I referenced the word guide. As I also send this, I can send this anonymously or publicly. On the practice tab, you're going to see all my past speeches and most importantly, all my past feedback so that I can go through as many cycles of practice as I want, reintegrating that feedback and getting more. I'm going to also see the groups feature. I'm already in 2 groups, family and friends, but let's say I want to create my own group. Groups are hyper-focused committees that give you specialized feedback on a particular topic, like for example, medicine. These groups can be private, which means they need permission to join, or public, which means anybody can join. I'm just entering in key attributes. I'm going to make this a private group.
Let's dive into VoiC's algorithm. We take a recorded video and transcribe it using OpenAI's Whisper. We parse it to identify the duration of filler words and remove them from the transcript. Utilizing BERT, we're able to get the vector representation of each word. We then use TensorFlow to fine-tune and extract the most semantically similar words to the purpose. These are your keywords. To build VoiC, we use Visual Studio Code and React.js. The languages used were Python, JavaScript, and CSS. We also use several APIs, which were Firebase, Email.js, TensorFlow, Flask, and Whisper timestamped.
Our VoiC is not a barrier. It's a place for growth. Let's use it.